students. We will solve one more problem based on the pinion and gear meshing. So here they have given a pair of spur gears consisting of 20 teeth pinion, which is, so pinion has 20 teeth and gear has 100 teeth. The module is 4 mm for this spur gear. They are asking us to find the circular pitch, the center distance, pitch circle diameter of pinion and gear, and the velocity and gear ratio. So first of all, for the solution, given data. So what is the data which is given here? T1, that is number of teeth on pinion, is 20. T2, number of teeth on gear is 100. Then the module is 4 mm. Now first one, that is the circular pitch. Circular pitch is given by formula PC is equals to pi d by t, or we can write it as pi into m, because m is equals to d by t, where m is the module. So we can write it as pi into m, that is 4. So the value we get is 12.57 mm. So if this is the pinion and this is the gear which is meshing with it, and we will draw the center distance is marked by L. N1 is speed of this pinion, N2 is speed of the gear, D1 is the diameter of pinion, D2 is the diameter of the gear. This is pinion and this is gear. Now they are asking us to find the diametral pitch. So PD is equals to 1 by m. So that is 1 by 4. We can write it as 0.25 teeth per mm. So this is the diametral pitch. Then they are asking us to find the center distance, but for this center distance we need to find D1 and D2 value. That is why I will first find the pitch circle diameter of the pinion and the gear. So C, D1 is equals to T1 into M, that is 20 into 4, that is 80 mm, and D2 is equals to T2 into M, so that is 100 into 4, that is 400 mm. So we have found the pitch circle diameter of pinion, that is D1 80 mm, and pitch circle diameter of gear D2, that is 400 mm. Okay. Then the next one, that is the velocity ratio. How do you find the velocity ratio? That is D2 by D1, 400 divided by 80, that is 5. Gear ratio is equals to velocity ratio five. Now B, that is the center distance. it is given by formula L is equals to D1 plus D2 divided by 2. So we have found the values of D1 and D2, that is 80 plus 400 divided by 2. We get the value as 240 mm. So this is the center distance. So we have found all the 4 parameters which they have asked us to find. So if you just remember the formulae, solving this problem is very easy. So I hope you have understood the topic, understood the problem. Thank you.